Hello, this is Trapti Thangwal from Genesis Technologies. We are a software service company providing innovative solutions to address customers' pain points. This video is about enhancing capability of SEO tools by writing customized scripts and will be covering the following. A brief on what is SEO, use of automation tools in SEO, advantages of using tool instead of manual SEO. Then we'll talk briefly about two of the most popular SEO tools, Magic Submitter and SE Nuke. We'll then demonstrate how to build custom scripts for a high page ranked website. We'll then discuss limitations of these tools and how we can enhance capabilities or overcome these limitations. And then finally, we'll discuss the dashboard. If you have ever wondered why some of the websites rank better than the others, it is because of a powerful web marketing technique called search engine optimization. SEO is a technique which helps search engines to find out and rank your site higher than the millions of other sites in response to a search query. This is beneficial or must activity for the site owners as users normally tend to visit websites that appears on the first few pages of the search result due to lack of time and patience to go through the rest. The SEO can also be performed through the help of automation tools. There are some advantages to using automation tools instead of manual SEO. Manual SEO process is slow and to be successful online, we want to get much more done in the shortest possible time. This is possible if we automate mundane tasks using an automation tool, which are readily available in marketplace. So, the question comes, what are the benefits of automating SEO tasks? If you are performing SEO activities manually, then you need countless days or months, which is very cumbersome and inefficient. Manual method for SEO is slow as well as time consuming, and the automation tools help you in achieving more with less time and resources. So, these tools help us in maximizing the output and improving the efficiency. There are a number of tools that automate SEO activities, but the most popular are Magic Submitter and SE Nuke. Let us discuss in brief about what these tools offer. Magic Submitter and SE Nuke both automate SEO activities. Some of the important features of these tools are: firstly, they support various profiles, which means design custom scripts that work with multiple profiles and multiple services. Example, business listing, blog posting, etc. Second is accounts verification, which means that after performing registration for verification, no need to manually sign up in Gmail or other accounts. Verification will be done by these tools. Next is submit your content to thousands of sites. Fourth one is they allow user to extract report directly from this tool. And the last but not the least, all their scripts are reusable. As we have discussed, SEO automation tools support all sorts of SEO techniques such as business listing, blog posting, bookmarks, article directories, social sites, social networks, PDF sharing sites, directories, and much more. To perform all the tasks discussed so far, these tools come with built-in script for many sites. There are many important sites or URL from SEO perspective which are not included in these tools. However, these tools give us a way to add additional sites of our choice by writing custom scripts. We at Genesis Technologies have expertise in building custom scripts for both these tools. We have used these tools to run campaign for 1500 websites. While working on these campaigns, we realized that these tools are missing many important sites. So we started adding them, and we have added 737 sites for Magic Submitter and 911 sites for SE Nuke. As you can see, we designed custom scripts for following sites which have good page rank. By using these scripts, we have successfully performed SEO activities. Now, I am going to present in brief how to submit a business listing by taking example of one of the high page rank site, Mojo Pages. We will perform business listing on Mojo Pages. Let's go with manual flow for this task. Go to Mojo Pages website, click on Sign Up button. Then user will redirect on registration form. Fill the registration details and click on Sign Up button. After sign up, as you can see, this process is divided into 4 steps. Step 1 is Find Your Business, where you can insert your phone number and then click on Find My Business button. After this, click on Add Business button. On step 2, that is Edit Account Info, fill business listing form with valid information and click on Continue button. Now user will redirect on step 3, Edit Category, where user can select the category. Insert category name and then click on Find Category button. After this, subcategory list will get auto-populate. Choose any subcategory and continue the process. Step 4 is Confirmation. Verify your business listing and click on Complete Sign Up button. After this, see your business listing and then finally gets log out. This was the manual flow. All these steps can also be performed with the automation tool by executing the custom scripts within a short period of time and will be reusable. Here is the custom script of business listing for Mojo Pages on Magic Submitter. As you can see, right panel indicates the design custom operations and each set of all custom operations are known as custom script. Left panel is for browser area where operations get execute. Now, let me explain you how to design custom operation through Magic Submitter. In this section, I will demonstrate custom operation for email field on sign up form. Select Paintbrush tool from Toolkit and put cursor on web browser area. Then select any appropriate link, field or button as per your requirement. By using left key over there, you can see appropriate actions list. Select any option from the list as per your requirement. Selected action will be displayed here with name and value type. Now execute this operation using Test Selected command tool from Toolkit. As you can see status as Run completed. That means execution is completed and executed operation will display on web browser area with corresponding value. This was all about script designing and execution. But script designing on these tools is not an easy task and it's not enough for all. There are some challenges which need to be faced. Please have a look. First one is element inspection by Magic Submitter. Let me explain the problem with an example. As you can see, here 2 logout operations are available. First logout operation is designed by Magic Submitter's method but failed to identify. Then we inspect this element using Firebug automation tool, design custom operation for the same and find the accessibility. Second is selection of value from drop-down list. Solution is same as above mentioned. Third is selection of correct form on the same page for inserting the values. For example, sometimes login and sign up both forms get available on the same page and as per the requirement we need to insert the value in correct form. This type of handling is known as socket handling and user able to insert values in right form. We know socket mode handling through the form submission. Next is JavaScript event handling. It is not easy to handle, but we can do this. And one more is getting live listing. That means After the submission, verify that the listing is done in correct place. We do this tricky task using user command. We have overcome all these challenges. Now, I will show you dashboard of Magic Submitter, which provides a way to run all the scripts on same time by a single click on Submit button. This process is divided into 3 steps. First step is registration on all the websites. You can select all the websites and click on Submit button. After completion, see the status. Here all websites have registration status as created. After registration, next step is submission, that is business listing. Process is same as registration. Select all websites and click on Submit button. Then see the status. Here all websites have status as submitted. Last step is verifying your live business listing using Links Manager. Here is the list of websites. When we click on websites, we'll redirect on our obtaining listing page. This is a live business listing for one of the clicked website from Links Manager. One more useful feature provided by this tool is export URLs. It is very helpful for clients to keep backup of all the sites. For any communication or query, you can contact us using these details. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time.